Hi, we're Kent and Pam Temple.
Welcome to Real Talk with the Temple team.
Today we have a special guest with us. Keeping our granddaughter this week has been a joy, yet you'd be surprised at how fast she can move for such a tiny girl. In fact, she only has two speeds, sleep and run.
For today's topic, perfect for parents and grandparents alike, we're doing a how-to on baby-proofing your home. Preparing for a new baby, or will you be watching a little one in your home? Here's some tips and tricks to keep them safe.
Drawers and cabinets within the baby's reach containing items like cleaning supplies or shop objects should be secured. There are many devices available in stores that are easy to install. And while you're there, be sure to get some outlet covers for electrical safety.
If watching a toddler who can reach the doorknob, we recommend putting a baby-proof knob cover on all the doors leading outside, as well as any rooms that you want to keep off limits. Toddlers love to run, and even with a moment's inattention, they will get into mischief.
Stairs are a fun challenge to a little one, yet they're best tackled while supervised. A well-placed baby gate keeps little ones off the stairs. For your own children, you might invest in a gate that attaches to the walls and has an easy step-through section for adults. If you just have little ones occasionally, like us, an easy removable baby gate is better so you can tuck it away quickly when not in use. And there she goes.
In the winter, struggling with a baby near a warm fireplace can be fun, yet open flames increase fire-related accidents. A fireplace gate will keep your little ones safe from burns, as well as keeping them from bumping their head on a hard brick surround.
Pop-up fabric clothes hampers have become popular since they're easy to fold and store. Did you know there's a hidden danger from the wires? They're under tension. Hampers seem harmless, that children have gotten eye injuries from using them as a tunnel or fort when a wire pops through the fabric. So keep those folded up and out of reach.
And if you have a little climber, you know they can turn anything into a jungle gym. We recommend adding anti-tip wall anchors to heavy furniture items that could potentially tip when being climbed. These can be purchased at your local home improvement store.
Never assume you can leave medicines out because of a child-proof cap. Though in most cases they work, there are some little ones with great dexterity. Plus, the candy-like look of pills and vitamins entices a child to work harder to open them. It's best to keep them locked up or well out of reach.
We hope you've enjoyed our How to Baby-Proof Your Home. We would be happy to send you a more extensive list. Just email us at info@thetempleteam.com and ask for one.
Thanks for watching.
Be sure to like and subscribe below.
From our home to yours.
See you soon.
I'm exhausted.